Have you ever looked at a photo of yourself from a few years ago and thought, what was I thinking with that outfit? Or worse, have you ever caught a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and felt like your style was aging you instead of enhancing your natural beauty? You're not alone. The truth is, even the most fashion-forward among us can fall into style traps that add years to our appearance without us even realizing it. But here's the good news. Aging gracefully isn't about chasing trends. It's about embracing timeless elegance. And today, we're diving into the 10 style mistakes that instantly age you and how to fix them. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, these tips will help you refine your wardrobe, elevate your confidence, and ensure your style is as ageless as you feel. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's transform your look together. And don't forget to stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing an incredible resource that will take your style journey to the next level. Mistake 1. Wearing outdated silhouettes. Let's start with one of the most common style mistakes, wearing outdated silhouettes. Think back to the early 2000s. Low-rise jeans, oversized blazers, and shapeless dresses were everywhere. But here's the thing, fashion evolves, and clinging to silhouettes from decades past can instantly age you. The key to timeless style is balance. Opt for pieces that flatter your figure without being overly trendy. A well-tailored blazer, a fitted waist, or a flowing A-line skirt can work wonders. If you're unsure where to start, our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, is packed with tips on finding silhouettes that suit your body type and exude sophistication. Mistake 2. Ignoring proportions. Proportions are everything when it comes to looking polished and put together. Wearing oversized or ill-fitting clothing can overwhelm your frame and make you appear frumpy. On the flip side, pieces that are too tight can feel outdated and uncomfortable. The secret? Balance. Pair a fitted top with wide-leg trousers or a flowy blouse with slim-fit jeans. This creates harmony in your outfit and keeps your look modern and elegant. Remember, timeless style is about highlighting your best features, not hiding them. Mistake 3. Overloading on accessories. Accessories are meant to enhance your outfit, not overpower it. One of the quickest ways to age yourself is by piling on too many accessories. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. A single statement necklace, a sleek watch, or a pair of classic pearl earrings can elevate your look without overwhelming it. In A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style, we dive deeper into the art of accessorizing, helping you choose pieces that complement your outfit and reflect your personal elegance. Mistake 4. Neglecting your undergarments. Here's a style secret that often goes unnoticed. The right undergarments can make or break your outfit. Ill-fitting bras, visible panty lines, or bulky shapewear can detract from even the most stunning ensemble. Invest in high-quality undergarments that provide support and a smooth silhouette. Trust me, this small change can have a huge impact on how your clothes fit and how confident you feel. Mistake 5. Sticking to dark colors only. While black is undeniably chic, wearing it head to toe can sometimes feel heavy and aging. Incorporating softer neutrals, pastels, or even bold pops of color can brighten your complexion and give your wardrobe a fresh, modern feel. Don't be afraid to experiment with shades that complement your skin tone. Our ebook includes a comprehensive guide to building a color palette that enhances your natural beauty and aligns with timeless elegance. Mistake 6. Overdoing trends. Trends come and go, but true style is eternal. While it's fun to incorporate a trendy piece here and there, overloading on trends can make your look feel dated as soon as the trend fades. Instead, focus on building a wardrobe of timeless staples. Think a crisp white shirt, a tailored blazer, or a little black dress. These pieces never go out of style and can be dressed up or down for any occasion. Mistake 7. Wearing the wrong shoes. Shoes can make or break an outfit, and wearing the wrong pair can instantly age you. While comfort is important, that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. Opt for classic shapes like pointed toe flats, sleek loafers, or low block heels. These styles are both comfortable and chic, making them perfect for everyday wear. If you're looking for more shoe inspiration, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style has an entire section dedicated to building a versatile shoe collection. Mistake number 8. Ignoring fabric quality. The quality of your clothing speaks volumes about your style. Wearing fabrics that are prone to wrinkling, pilling, or fading can make your entire look feel cheap and outdated. Invest in high-quality materials like silk, wool, and cashmere. Not only do these fabrics look luxurious, but they also drape beautifully and stand the test of time. Remember, it's better to have a few high-quality pieces than a closet full of fast fashion. Mistake 9. Neglecting grooming details. Your outfit is only as good as the details. Neglecting grooming habits like unkempt hair, chipped nail polish, or scuffed shoes can detract from even the most elegant ensemble. Take the time to care for these small but important details. It's the finishing touch that elevates your look from ordinary to extraordinary. Mistake 10. Lacking confidence. Here's the most important tip of all. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. No matter how stylish your outfit is, if you don't feel good in it, it shows. Stand tall, own your look, and let your inner beauty shine through. True elegance comes from within, and when you feel confident, you radiate timeless style. And there you have it, 10 style mistakes that instantly age you and how to fix them. Remember, timeless elegance isn't about following every trend or spending a fortune on your wardrobe. It's about making intentional choices that reflect your personal style and enhance your natural beauty. If you're ready to take your style journey to the next level, I highly recommend checking out our ebook, A Guide to Timeless Elegant Style. It's packed with actionable advice, wardrobe-building tips, and inspiration to help you create a look that's as timeless as you are. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on femininity, elegance, and timeless style. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, remember, true style is ageless and so are you.